Need to request a refund for YouTube TV? Whether it's for an accidental charge, unused subscription time, or another reason, I'll guide you through the process, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google Billing Account page. Sign in with the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Once you're in, click on Payments and Subscriptions and find YouTube TV in your list of active subscriptions. Next, select Manage Subscription and scroll down to the option labeled Request a Refund or Refunds. Click on it, and you'll be asked to choose the specific payment you want refunded. Follow the prompts to explain why you're requesting the refund, whether it's due to an error, cancellation, or other reasons. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible to increase your chances of approval. If you don't see the refund option or need further assistance, contact YouTube TV support directly. Go to the YouTube TV Help Center, click Contact Us, and choose the best way to reach them: chat, email, or phone. Explain your situation clearly and politely, and they'll guide you through the next steps. Keep in mind that refunds are typically granted for unused portions of your subscription or billing errors, but approval isn't guaranteed. And that's it! Now you know how to request a refund for YouTube TV. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!